Starting off, we're taking off the plastics. Taking off the side panels. Unplugging the charger and power switch. Unbolting the controller. Unplugging all the wires. Unscrewing the brake cable. Getting these nasty cable breaks out of here. Cable brake delete. Removing Gerald. Taking off the handlebars. Let me know if I should keep the stock handlebars or get Electro & Co handlebars or get Supermoto wheels. Taking out the batteries. Taking off the front fork. Putting some of these clamps on so the bike doesn't keep falling over with no front wheel. Alright, so I kind of stopped recording yesterday. I got kind of tired, but we got the frame, we got it sanded, washed, got it cut here. Got the swing arm, we need to sand this, and the kickstand. And then got the handlebars, fork, and then over here, there are the plastics. These are all washed. We have to sand these, and then we're painting today. And yeah, the kit comes tomorrow, so that'll be nice. And we have all their parts here. I think I'm going to use this number plate for now, but let me know, should I get like an ODI plate or something? Painting the frame. We kind of messed this up. We should have lighter coats, but it looked pretty good. Got the first coat on the swing arm. Looks pretty good. We got a kickstand over here. Looks nice. Did a little too much on the first coat, but it's alright. Got the plastics. Got one coat on each side. I'm doing light coats on this because I want to make this look good and do a lot of coats, but light. Second coat on the swing arm. Looks good. I'm doing one more light coat. I have a couple touch-ups to do. Going over here. Plastics looking good. This side, 2 coats. And then gotta do one more coat on the other side. Crap. Frame is still doing good, but we are gonna still do another coat on that, but it has to dry longer because it got a little dust on it, so we have to wait for it to dry so we can get over it better. Okay, so we're done with the plastics and the swing arm. It looks pretty good. I have to touch up this one a little bit and that one just on the back side because you can still see the yellow through a little bit. And then the kickstand is all done over here. Looks good. This is probably the thing I care the least about. There's a couple little drops on it, but I don't really care because it's gonna probably come off anyway a bit. I have the battery in, and then we have everything, and the front fork. Okay, we got the shock on, and we have the battery on, right? And then we bent the frame back up a bit right there. And we have a swing arm and the fork. Okay, we have the motor on and the controller, and we're about to put everything on the handlebars. All right, so we got it all wired up. It's a bit later now. We're just gonna do cable managing, front wheel, chain, and the brakes, and we're pretty much done. And then just plastics, but should not take too long. Okay, I did some cable management. I zip tied all these together. I zip tied the motor cable up here. And then I don't know if this is the way this controller is supposed to go, but I don't really think there is a way. But I kind of made it so this battery lead just goes right to this one. And I think it'll be better than if it was flipped, because then the whole thing is kind of just here and in the way. All right, so we got the chain on now. It took our brains a minute, but we figured it out. And we're gonna give it its first test now. 84 volts. Okay, so we have just the plastics on. Everything's hooked up. It's all working. We're just putting the last bolt on the plastics. Then we have to just do the pegs, and we're done. I think I like the color a lot. Came out very nice. It's like 1 in the morning or something, so we're gonna try to finish this and go to bed. Okay, so it's completely done. Have everything done. Brakes, throttle, everything. Motor, everything's all good. Got the pegs on, which took forever because of the stupid bearings. Chain is loose, but I don't think we can make it any tighter. So, yeah, we might try it later, but it's pretty dang loose, so, yeah.
Man, this should look like...
Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hate.
I feel like on Gucci Mane in 2006. All these diamonds dancing on my fucking neck cost like 4 bricks. Ain't no way that I be toting on that strap, don't make no sense. He $1 million nigga, but